We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Hong.
And I hate Joseph Lin and Ling. You know, every time I say that, I don't know if I should say 我係 Joseph Lin or 我係 Joseph Ling. 都可以了. Anyways, it's summertime again, and you know what? During summertime, there's a lot of diseases, a lot of viruses are going around. One that is very serious here in Taiwan and affects kids most of the time is something called enterovirus. Okay, 这刚好趁这个机会，又可以教大家这个肠病毒要注意的事项，又可以教大家英文。肠病毒怎么说？我相信很多人都不知道，就是 enterovirus。然后 Hakka 怎么讲呢？
从偏脱。
从偏痛，听起来很痛，肚子痛。
脱哦，不是痛哦，
我不是吐。
从偏脱，
从偏痛，痛是毒啦哈，就是 poison. Okay, so that's how you say enterovirus in Hakka. 从偏脱。Okay, now let's I guess go over a few points of what you should watch out for or how you should avoid the enterovirus. First, you gotta regularly wash your hands.
洗漱，
手记得手就是漱，洗漱。Secondly, you should avoid contacting people with the enterovirus. 要避免去接触到感染的人。
避免去接触受感染者。
受感染者。
受感染者。
Okay, 就是有感染到的。
已经有，对。
Okay, so avoid contacting those people. And thirdly, you should try to avoid sharing utensils like spoons, forks, chopsticks with other people too.
自己用自己的同词。
自己
用自己的，自己用自己的。好像绕口令，对不对？
对。自己用自己的。
哎耶！
自己用自己的 That means use your own. It sounds like a riddle. 同词就是 spoon 嘛。Okay. And finally, avoid overly crowded places, public places. 这个避免出入太拥挤的公共场所。
就尽量莫去公共场所。
Okay, 公共场所, that's public places. Okay, if you follow those 4 steps, I think you are one step away from the enterovirus. So again, have a safe summer, and that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.